Hey guys, today we are going to see how you can use a live photo, animated photo on the iPhone and set it as your wallpaper. It's really simple and we will do it in 30 seconds. So we go to settings, we scroll down and we look for wallpaper. So you find the wallpaper option. You see my current wallpaper is this beautiful photo I clicked, but I want to now change it to live photograph which I've clicked from this very iPhone. So I go and click choose a new wallpaper on the top. In favorites, that's the album in which I have this live photo. I'm going to click on that. You see at the bottom here, it says live photo on. If this option next to cancel, the circular option, if I click on that, I can switch off live photo. And by clicking it again, I will switch live photos on. So live photos is on. If you want to see how this animates, I can just hold the screen and that's the live photo animation basically. Your live photo could be much more creative than mine, but this is my live photo. This is what I had handy. So that's what we are using. Now I'll click set. Now the interesting thing is that I have only been able to play this animation on the lock screen. So I'm going to go ahead and set this wallpaper for both lock screen and the home screen, but I think it will only animate on the lock screen. So let's go back to the home page. Now on the home screen, I click on the screen. It just takes my apps to jiggle mode. But if I go to the lock screen, okay guys, so basically if I go to the lock screen, I can see that animation if I tap on the screen and hold my finger there, but I can't screen record that because iPhone does not let me do that yet. So hope you like this way of setting a live photo as your wallpaper. Do tell me in comments if you have any more tips for me.